Mr. Richard, today is the beginning of the subscription period for shares of Varia US Properties, the next IPO at Swiss Exchange. Why is it now a good time for going public with your company?
For Varia, there is two reasons why we want to do this listing today. The first one is that we want to diversify our investor basis, and the second one is we want to get ready for the growth.
Varia is investing exclusively in the secondary and tertiary market of the US apartment buildings. So are you doing business for and with the victims of the mortgage and financial crisis?
Not at all. We offer a good place of living for the workforce of America, and this is our strategy of investment.
Why is especially this sector, where we see a shift from home ownership to renting in the US, so interesting for Swiss investors? Is it the dividend?
The shift of homeownership to renting population is a global shift throughout the American US market. And for us, the good thing here is that it ensures a high level of occupancy of our buildings.
How do you estimate the economic development of the US real estate market in the coming 5 years? And can you say something to the Trump impact and the consequences?
Well, there is a new president having been elected, and of course this will have an impact. What we know today is that he will probably invest a lot in the United States, in infrastructure and in the military industry, which means more wages for the workforce of America, and which is good for us. We expect more wages, higher wages. We expect also higher interest rates, but both will go together, and with the increase of the rental level, so that there will not be a huge difference. It will be only positive for us.
You fixed the issue price at 35 Swiss francs each share. Do you expect a strong demand in the next weeks until the IPO?
During the soft-sounding period, we had a strong demand and a strong interest from different investors. So we expect this to go on and to continue.
After the IPO, what are your next targets in the US? Are you focusing on buying further apartment buildings, and what is your strategy?
As of today, we almost have already 90 million under contract for new properties that we want to buy, and we expect this to be triple in the next few weeks, so that we will fully be invested within the next 3 to 4 months.